Fortnite was taken off the App Store. I'm going to be showing you guys how to install it on your iOS device. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy TechnoTrend back at it again, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about what happened. So basically, you guys know that Fortnite got taken down, and it always has to do with money. So Fortnite decided to put their prices down, and Apple didn't like that, and then something happened and they basically got taken off the Google Play Store as well as the App Store on iOS. So there is another method to get it back, and I'm going to be talking about that in the video. But of course, if you guys do enjoy and it does work for you, please go to like, subscribe, and comment down below for more awesome tutorials. Now for our shout out of the day, go ahead and check this guy out. So this is the winner of the active shoutout. If you guys want to win an active shoutout on my channel, all you have to do is be active in the comment section, turn on those post notifications, and of course stay active in the like bar as well. So that's all you have to do: like, subscribe, comment, and stay notified, and you guys should be able to win a shoutout. Now without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this video. So I'm going to be showing you guys two methods if you never installed Fortnite before and if you already have. So if you guys check both these methods out and see if they work for you. Now go into your purchase, so click here and then click purchased. So once you're in your purchase, look up Fortnite, and you can install it right there if you've already installed it. And if you haven't installed it, you guys can install it from another source. It's called Zeus. Now you can also install it on another one called Box. But the ads on there are very inappropriate, so if you guys are under the age of 18, please don't go to that website for now until the ads get figured out. So yeah, basically what you want to do is go ahead and install Zeus. Click get Zeus now. It's going to have a little install. Click allow, and it's going to click install. Go to settings, general, scroll all the way down to profiles and device management. Here it takes a little while to appear for some reason. That happens to me, so just wait for it to say that. Click it. Click install Zeus, install, put in your passcode, install one more time. Then you should be good with that. Next, go into Zeus. We're going to go ahead and install Fortnite. So Fortnite should be here in the featured app section. If it's not, go ahead into the other sections and go ahead and look for it. So I'm going to go ahead and click install. So click it, click install. Once it says install, you click that install button. I already installed it, so I'm not going to do that again. Once you've installed it, it's going to look like this. Like, it's going to have no picture. Well, for now, I'm not sure if they update it later, but they don't have a picture. Next, what you guys want to do is go again into settings, profiles and device management, and then it should be here like some sort of certificate. Click trust again, and then you guys will be good to open up Fortnite. If you guys skip that part, you guys won't be able to open Fortnite, and it will not work for you. So make sure not to skip the part. Next, you guys can see Epic Games does open. I'm good to go, and it's ready to be installed. So that's basically it for today's tutorial, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure to leave a like and a comment if it did work for you. Have a great day, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.